Hello, in front of me I've got RAM 1500. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, start your car and start driving. Next, press button located in the middle to activate cruise control. Now the cruise control is enabled. Press set button to activate it. Press set plus button to increase the speed, set minus button to decrease speed, cancel button to pause it, and reset button to reset it to first set speed. Now you can increase the front assistant distance or decrease it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.